So we first started discussing the subject with KBA in 2010, and we held our first workshop together in Kenya in September 2011. So I'm very glad that 2 years on, we have this great CEO roundtable discussing, the real steps to a collective effort in sustainable finance in Kenya. This year roundtable went very well, and congratulations to KBA in making it all happen. And we're very proud that we are partnering. We were partners to this event. I think there is already a high level of understanding of the issue amongst a lot of your members, and it's great that Kenyan banking society has decided to do it collectively. It's quite unique case around the world. There are not that many cases where the Banking Association has taken leadership to make it a collective effort. So I congratulate KBA in making that happen, and we will be very much interested in developing our relationship further with you.
Sustainable finance to me really is about creating long-term viability around our environment and community at large. We see this topic becoming very, very important given the issues we are seeing around us, around environmental degradation, around conflict in communities, around projects that have been undertaken. And for us really, as a banking industry and certainly at CBA, we feel strongly that this initiative that we were discussing today is really relevant going forward, even to this country's economy, because we have a responsibility as financiers to play our role in terms of ensuring that what we do, projects we support, how we operate even internally as a
I think sustainability is an important concept which has to be embraced by the Kenyan banking industry. As we are part of the global village, we need to embrace the concept of sustainability, preserving our environment, and I think the banking industry as a whole has an important role to play in that process. And as a group, we have to, as a group, as the Kenya banking industry as a whole, we have to embrace the concept and go forward as together as a group to enforce sustainability within our industry.
Tell us, we'd also like to know about your views regarding KBA's initiative to drive the sustainability agenda.
I think it's a very important initiative. It's something which we've discussed, and as we move towards our goal 2030, then we need to ensure that it's embedded within the banking industry as a whole.
institutions like banks, which then fund activities in the planet, must then begin to rethink, are we financing activities that jeopardize the sustainability of the planet? The answer is yes. And we need to then, as Kenya, start providing the necessary leadership from our region. Because under Vision 2030, we said we want to be the financial hub for the region. We then must provide the necessary leadership so that then we start sensitizing our members through KBA that we need to think through some of the issues, internal activities, and then through our lending policies, are we funding corporations that pollute the earth, okay, that contribute to global warming, higher carbon footprint, all those activities.
We have started the journey. The forum has agreed that yes, we need to form generic principles and voluntarily begin the journey under the umbrella of Kenya Bankers Association Working Group, which would be formed by KBA. So it's a very good initiative, and we have started the journey.